Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily find out all the icons present in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as icon tool. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on next, 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 click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the user interface of this software, right? So it has already found some of my application or program icons, so it's already showing here right now. So in order to find out all the icons present in any Windows computer, what you need to do is just click on this icon, search disk. Now you can select the enter local disk drive, or you can select the respective folder also depending upon your needs. So say, just to give an example, I'm selecting this local C drive, and now on the above you will see your search option. Just click on it. Now here you will get a search of folders also, so you can here manually select or unselect depending upon your needs. So I'll just untick most of them since I want only the .ico files, that is the icon files. And once all your selection is done, just click on this start search. Now it will start scanning, so it might take minutes depending upon how many icons are present on the respective drive or folder. So have patience until the complete scanning is done. So finally you can see the scanning has been completed, and now you can see the total icons present on my respective C drive. So now say if you want to search for a particular program or software icon, then you can just click on this icon, that is the filter icons. Just click on it and just say I want to search for a Chrome browser icon. So I'll just type Chrome, and you can select the icon size also depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep it as antique here. You can select the color also here depending upon your needs, and just click on this filter. You can see here it will show all the Chrome icons that is available on your respective Windows computer. So if you want to save the respective icon, then just right mouse click on it, and now you can see here save icon as. Now select the folder where you want to save it. You can give a file name also, and save as file type. You can save it .ic also, or .jpg, .png, whichever file format you want to select. I'll just save it as .ico and just click on save. You can see here I have saved the respective program icon. So by using this application, you can easily find out all the icons present in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.